Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today we will be doing a tutorial to see if heat transfer vinyl can be heat pressed onto wood. Now I've had a lot of you ask me about this and I wasn't really sure. I haven't done it before, so I figured let's test it out. So I asked everyone who was asking me to do this tutorial what kind of heat transfer vinyl they would prefer to see. And the majority of the vote went to glitter HTV. So I've already gone ahead and cut out my image. I'm going to show you how I made that image in the next clip. Okay, so you'll want to go to your drawing tools and pick the circle or the oval. If you hold the shift button down and drag, you'll get a perfect circle. I'm going to use this kind of as a template to figure out how big my letters can be on my wood circle. And I've just colored it this pale color so that I can kind of see the difference. Now I'm going to find a font that I want to use. Once I'm happy with the font, I'll go ahead and select a color that I'm going to cut it out in and just size it into the circle so I know where I want it. And I've just decided to throw in a little heart in there as well. I'm going to group it all together. And I'm going to flip it horizontally because we are cutting that in HTV. So let's go back over to the heat press. Okay guys, so I've weeded my vinyl. I have it laid out where I want it to stick. I have my press set at 315 degrees. We're going to go ahead and place the wood coaster in the press now. We'll do a little test lift to see if any of that stuck, and it didn't, so let's go ahead and hit that again and see if we can get a good press on there. So it looks like the letters stuck, but the heart didn't, so I'm going to flip it upside down. Maybe there's getting a good pressure on that spot. Upside down. It's actually on there really good. I'm actually surprised. I did not think it was going to stick, and it did. So yeah, it looks like you can heat press this. I did have to pull it down 3 times in the heat press at 20 seconds each time, so about a minute total. And I really had to put my body weight on that to make sure it had good pressure. This is a thicker piece. This is a coaster size, so that could be the problem. You can always buy these art mines, which are a lot thinner. That might be a little better because you could shut the press fully on that. We're doing another video with this with the heat press, so this will be up tomorrow and we'll test that out as well. Alright guys, so there is our coaster. We'll probably add a little hook or some string at the top because this could make a really cute Christmas ornament or just a decoration around your house. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my page. If you click little mama down there in the bottom corner, she'll help you subscribe even faster. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. That really does help me out, and I appreciate everybody who does. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Until next time, guys, happy crafting!